Welcome to Food4You. This is our group's submission to the ALS Hacks Hackathon. This application uses React to make our modern website and has three certain features. Number one, it searches for global food recipes. Number two, you can find foods to make with certain ingredients. And number three, they're personalized recipes for you. So how we do this is you sign in and it takes you to the dashboard. So this dashboard has recommendations of food you like based on previous search recommendations and what your user likes eating. So how we did this is first we created an ML model using this Kaggle dataset we found online. We ran this Kaggle dataset through a Google Colab as we created a model. We imported it, then we prepared the data, then we passed the ingredients to it, then we created a recommendation system so we get other recommendations of recipes. And then with this ML model, we turned it into an API so it can be used in the front end. How we did this is we created the API and we hosted it using Python Anywhere. So how this API works is it takes in this URL and then you can also append ingredients to the end of it, and with that it gives an output of like the recipes you can make, such as ariba and other types of stuff with the ingredients such as kitchen chili and stuff like that. And because of this we were able to create this API and turn it into and put it in our front end. So for example, if we go to our search, the default is chicken, but we can change it to like honey or something, and it gives us honey, the recipe name and the ingredients needed for that. However, we wanted to do it another way too, where you can enter any ingredients you want to use, and like pepper, salt, eggs. However, we are not able to have enough time to connect this API to the front end when you click find foods, because we were on a time constraint and we didn't have enough time. But in the future, we plan on connecting this API to make sure we have a full application working. And then we also have our Figma model where we used it to create this React application. We have the loading screen, the home page, the desktop, the search, and the recommendations. So essentially, this is how our application works, and we hope that you consider it for the ALS Hack submission. Thank you.